Hey people, my name is Deborah Dada. I am a product designer day to day, and on the side, I do everything around event strategy, social impact, and a lot of fun stuff that I enjoy doing. So, in case you're new here, I started a series where I ask myself, am I unlucky or I'm just lazy? If you want to know why I started this series, check the first video. I explained why I am doing this, and it's just because I want to build a level of consistency in myself to confirm whether I'm just a very lazy person or somehow maybe I'm just unlucky. All right, so I'm doing this because for 30 days I will be sharing different videos every day consistently about things that I am passionate about. So lucky you find me, lucky you for finding me, lucky you for finding me. Today I'm talking to product designers. Wait, don't think it is a niche topic. It is not a niche topic, but I'm sure you get one or two things from it. I'm a product designer, and what that means is that I'm responsible for the experience of digital products, how they feel. So I try to leave user first, understand what the user wants, how they want things, and then interpret that in their products that I design or in the products that I design technically. So today I am talking about what I wish junior designers understood about real life projects. Now, let me give you the tea about designers. So, for you to actually get like a job, you need something called a portfolio. I think that applies to any career area, to be honest. You need something called a portfolio. So, what that means technically is that you have a repo or case studies of your work that you have done before, and then you're using that to show to people that, okay, I am me, I've done this before, I can do it for you. That's simply what a portfolio means. But the interesting thing about design portfolios is that you need to create some dummy projects for yourself to be able to speak for people to see what you have done. So it means that you don't have to wait to get like one client to give you a chance before you can showcase what you've done. You can create scenarios for yourself and then put it as a case study of what you have done. And then those people see how you handle that personal project or that case study project, and then they can trust you with their own work. That's simply what it is. So I have a couple of insights on what I did as a junior designer that I necessarily would not do right now again. And it's not because I am not still on a learning curve. It's because I've seen things done differently, and maybe because of companies that I have worked, I've also seen how things can change. Now, please, this does not really apply to everybody. If this was on TikTok, I would have said allegedly, but it is not allegedly. This information is based on my own experience. It might not be directly impact your own experience exactly, but I think now there are one or two things that you can learn from it. So number one is that aesthetics matter, but system run the show in structured team. If you are working as a solo designer in a team, you want to play around, stress your engineers, make them not sleep at night, create some dribble style type of design. That works. But in more structured team where you are working with a large group of designers and you cannot really flex some of that aesthetics, particularly if you are a UX designer or a product designer, because of one thing: design systems exist. And design systems are systems that actually sort of put in structure to design. So it means that you can't create a button that will fly just because there's a structure in the company that already says our button used to sit down gently, our buttons don't fly. So that way sometimes you can't really flex your aesthetic skills. You can flex them on other projects, but it's good to understand that there are design systems, and these things actually facilitate collaboration, enable structure in any product. And it would be nice as a designer if you start inculcating that into your process early enough as a junior designer or someone that is just starting out. If you put that into your process, I promise you again, you are already setting yourself on the path of success, because this is mostly what people that are advanced in their skills, this is mostly what they do or what day to day. And if you're already doing that right now, it means you're setting yourself on the path of success. But then still put some flexibility of balancing both aesthetic play around and design system. All right, the next thing is real impact happens in research, problem definition, and collaboration. So the real impact is actually in the research, and this is why I would say that. So for bigger teams where there's enough time to sort of go through processes one after the other, say carry research, your team members will want to know the reason behind your design decisions. So imagine if you cannot flex your UI, how do you want to show your work? How do you want to show the value of your work amongst your team? It means that you must be able to flex your user experience skills, which comes from design and which comes from research and how that research impacts your results. So I'm sorry I'm going a little bit niched in this conversation. So if you carry out a user research, there's feedback from that user research or that usability testing. You bring in those research into your work, and then you have a result from it. That is what will stand you out, particularly in a structured environment, making sure that you have measurable impact for the work that you are doing. So yeah, I think another point which I would like to say is show your work. Shout about your work. Yeah, I know people say, oh, don't post like a one-screen design on Twitter. Design is more than UI, but still show your work regardless. Show up for yourself for the things that you're doing. Don't just be there like you're just doing work and expecting somebody will find you in the corner of your house. It's not possible. I remember when I started design, I don't know how I got myself to one group. I don't know. I can't remember the group, but I know that I typed a message. They were doing a live or something. And I typed a message that, please, what do you people think? I don't think I am creative enough. And to be honest, I am not like the most. Sorry, I take that back. I'm creative. But at the time, I thought I wasn't creative enough. I thought I would never really be able to do UI design. And then somebody responded and said, oh, that's not possible. Everybody has creativity in them. You just need to practice it. And to be honest, I don't know that person. I've never met them before. I'm sure they are not even Nigerian. Or I'm sure they don't even remember they ever said that to anybody. But that fueled me to actually keep practicing. So as a junior designer, please practice. Do it again and again and again. Some of your projects will never see the light of day. Somebody will hire you design it will not go live. But keep showing up again and again. I think those things will really set you on a path for success. They will really set you on a path for success. So for real projects, again, you might not be able to flex your aesthetics. You also need to be able to understand design systems and how they work. Let me tell you one final part of design I don't think people are really paying attention to. Now, there are designers that build design systems different from designers that use the design system, like product designers. I think they're different. Let me articulate my thoughts properly. I think that if you are interested in aesthetics, if you're interested in design UI, I think you can explore being a design system designer. You'll be able to flex your muscle a lot there, create interactions the way you want it to function. If you want the button to bounce 10 times, you'll be able to do it. And you work closely with engineers in such a way that you see how they are actually implementing your work. Also, on the other end, you can be like myself. I am a growth product designer, which means I don't really flex in terms of UI. I flex in terms of experimentation. Let's move this thing up. Let's check if it will work. So those are the kind of things the ways that I flex my skills. So it is not the end of the world for someone that enjoys UI design. It's just that you might focus your strength on areas like interaction design, like creating very insane interactions within a product. Digital design, design system designers as well. So I'm losing train of my thoughts. So yeah, so those are areas which you can actually flex your muscle. All right, that's all that I have to share today around realities between being a junior designer and a mid-level designer, which sort of I like to compare myself at the moment. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video this far. If you are in the mood to binge watch something, I have recommendations for you. I have videos that you can go and watch because I am on a series to check whether I am lazy or I am just unlucky. So I'm creating that series to just talk about things that I'm passionate about, to check how much I'll stay consistent for the whole of the month of November. So if you have some time or you need someone just talking to you in the background, you can play it. I won't obstruct what you're doing, I'll just be talking. Okay, I'm going to see you tomorrow. That's my favorite part of every video. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, sorry. Please like, share, subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment. I forgot to say that. That's very important to the life of any YouTuber. Like, share, and subscribe. 5 things. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.